This outdoor potting bench is built from solid fir wood, so it feels sturdy under load and has a natural grain that looks at home in most garden settings. The combination of a roomy work surface, integrated sink, and multiple shelves makes everyday potting, repotting, and watering tasks much more organized and efficient. Open shelving and a handy drawer keep tools, soil, and small accessories easy to see and reach, which cuts down on clutter and wasted time during gardening sessions. Raised edges along the back and sides help stop pots and bags from sliding off, while rubber feet reduce noise, protect decking, and add a bit of extra stability. Assembly is straightforward enough that even someone new to flat pack furniture can get it together quickly by following the stepwise instructions or video guide. Because the unfinished wood readily takes paint or stain, it is simple to customize the bench so it matches existing outdoor furniture or blends into the landscape.